All right, hey y'all, I'm back. Welcome back. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Anyway, check it out. I came today to do a review on some products. All right, now, well, first of all, let me start off by, see my man all over the place. Let me start off by saying thank y'all so very much for tuning in. I appreciate every last one of y'all. Anybody out there that's new, just never watched me before, you're welcome to go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you won't miss another video all up in here, okay? Alright, so look at here. I'm going to go in again. Like I said, I'm going to do a review on some products. And what I have to show is I had a company reach out to me. And this is the name of their products. It's called UNIBOUTI. This is an electric nail drill in this box here. And, okay. I had the box turned around. I apologize for that. Okay, and in this here little pouch, we have a dip powder system. Alright, so let me open up this cute little pouch here and show you the contents. Oh, we got a lot of goodies up in here, y'all. We have, I like this pouch too because you can store all your goodies back in here. But I have a cuticle pen. This is nice. You can purchase this nail drill as well as this dip powder kit on Amazon. I have all the information down in the description bar below. It also comes with this cuticle pusher. Alright. Nice, sharp cuticle pusher. Never can have too many of those. It comes with this nice little brush. Oh, it's cute. I like the color. It's like a maroon color. It's cute. Is that maroon? I don't know. I may not even know my colors today. They look like, I don't know what color that is, but it's a pretty color, okay? Hold on now. It comes with this pretty nice shine. This is like a buffer. It's not a file. It's nice. Okay, sunshine. That's what it is, okay? So it's a shiner. Shines your nails. And it comes with two, 4, 6 dip powders. I'm going to go through those in 1 minute, okay? It comes with the instructions here, how to use, how to remove. Oh, here, let me let you go ahead, girl. If you want to zoom in, go ahead. Capture it. Read it. Okay, got it? All right. This is the #1 primer. #2 is the base coat. And then you have #3 is the activator. Make sure you don't dry it up on me. No, but it's all there. We have #5 is the brush saver. Girl, #4. Let's go let's do this in order, okay? You got #4, which is the top coat. And #5 is the brush saver. You have 2 little smaller brushes here. I have no idea what these are for. I'm going to figure that out in a minute. And then you have a file. It does not say the grit. Okay, but it's a nice thick file. It comes with these UV gel nail cleansers. Okay, I don't know how many is in here. It look like it can be probably about 10. But this is a nice little cute little case. You can store all your stuff back in there. All right, y'all, let's go on with, ooh, hold on. Please have something protecting these powders because this was open. Oh yeah, I do got a little cap right here. Good. All right. Okay, they don't have any names on them. Girl, let's do some dip nails. Let's dip us some nails today. Now, let me open up this nail drill. Alright. This is nice. Okay, they give you the standard drill bits here. They also give you these drill bits as well. This is like a buffer and there's sanders. And I like this little case. Hold on, let me see if I can do it with these nails on. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah. You have to, oh, this is so nice, y'all. Hold on. I apologize. I think there's somebody's truck or motorcycle just rolled past. But they have these here drill bits in here. This is nice. These are like stone drill bits. And buffers. And maybe I'm saying it wrong. Maybe somebody out there correcting me. But leave it down in the comment if you want to correct me. But they come with your standard drills. Bits. And you have 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2 fine. And then the little football. And then the long ones and all that good stuff. Okay. It also comes with a bag full of sanding bands here. Look like it can be about 50 in here. And here is the little drill itself. Cute little unibody drill. Cute. Has the name on it. pretty little rose color. And here's the plug here. I'm gonna plug her in and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add one of the drill bits to the drill. You take it and you push it in like that. It's a little hard to push in, but that's what it is. Here's your speed control knob. You push it up, it goes forward, and the middle is off and down is in reverse. And then this knob here is your speed control. It makes the drill go from low to high. Let's see. Let me push her to forward. See what she sounds like. She's already down. She got a little rattle to her. She's kind of loud if you ask me. Let me turn her up. Yeah, she's a little bit on the loud side compared to, is all I'm saying. That's what it is. I'm going to still use her in this set just to see how well she performs. Alright, so let me go ahead and get my nails all prepared. Okay, before I continue on with this video, I just wanted to let you know I was looking at the little pamphlet here, and it does say quality guarantee services. Okay, so they do offer free replacement and warranty services. Alright, so I'm going to leave all the information down in the description bar below so you can check their little company out a little bit more. Okay, if you're interested. Alright, how about that? Sounds like a plan? Alright, in a minute, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go in using these nail tips today. These are coffin shaped press-on nails. I purchased these from Amazon. I'm also going to go in using this KDS nail glue to apply my press-on nails to my little fingers here. Now, I know you can go in using the whole gel method with the whole light, but not everybody have gel and have lights, okay? So you can go in, you can use this method as well. Use you some glue. This is a very strong glue, so I don't have no problems out of my press-on nails when I use this glue. Is all I'm saying. So if you don't have the gel and using the gel method with the light, beaming it and UV lights and all that good stuff, you can go in using the glue. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be doing today, using me some glue to apply my press-on nails. Okay, all right, in a minute. But first, I want to show y'all. I already went ahead and swatched the little colors. This is the white unibody number 5, and this one is number 11. It's number 16, number 23, number 49, beautiful red, 46, it's pretty little glitter. These two here, okay? Number 1 would be the primer. So you go in and apply your primer to the nails, okay? The primer is also to help the powder stick to the nails as well. Alright, because my nails are long, I'm going to go in and use this bowl here. And I'm going to add the powder to this bowl because it's too long to dip down into this little jar right here, okay? Alright, so these two brushes here are replacement brushes. Go in and add my base coat to my first finger here. And you only add the base where you want the powder to be. Start dipping, girl. Nope, not going to get it. So which means I got to come in and do it like this here. Okay. Alright, now on the instructions it said that this is some fast setting powders. So you don't have to wait to add the activator to file the nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and file it real fast before I add the activator, because it's already hard. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to file it down a little bit before I add the activator in the top coat. Okay? You wait 1 minute, then you go in with the top coat, okay?